It is important to read a balance sheet to know about the financials of a company. If you are new to the stock market, then I will recommend you to two websites. One is Ticker Tape, and another one is Screener. Both links will be given in description, so let's start the video. First financial point is market cap. It is calculated by the number of existing shares in the market with the share price. The market cap tells the company's current value. The most valuable company in the world, Apple, has its market cap at $2.8 trillion. Next is debt to equity. It is the ratio that helps us calculate the debt on the company. You can also see direct debt of the company. Debt to equity is calculated by the number of shareholders' equity by the liabilities on the company, which gives the gross report of the company if it is loss-making or not. The debt to equity depends on the sector. Different sectors have different debt to equity rate, so it is better to compare with the competitors. The ROCE is the ratio which calculates the returns on the equity. That indicates how much the company has generated profit from its investment. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you want daily content like this, subscribe to my channel. Peace out.